This is the Hadrian X, a pioneering and autonomous bricklaying robot developed by the Australian company FBR Limited. It can build a standard 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house in just 1 to 3 days, depending on the type of block used and the complexity of the design. Dubbed the world's most advanced construction robot, Hadrian X, if placed in the right environment and continuously at work, each unit could build between 100 to 300 homes annually. With an impressive record of building a standard-sized home every 2 days on average, this revolutionary bricklaying bot actually has a small footprint. This allows Hadrian X to be mounted into a classic cab over engine truck to easily transport it to and from a location for the on-site building. This extremely versatile construction robot could also be mounted onto other bases, such as tracks, barges, boats, and cranes, making it flexible for different building needs in various locations. Hadrian X uses FBR's dynamic stabilization technology, which measures movement caused by wind, vibration, and inertia in real time. The smart bot then responds instantaneously using advanced algorithms to offset this movement to maintain stability and offer unparalleled precision in a variety of conditions. FBR's fast brick wall system uses super efficient blocks specifically designed for Hadrian X for optimal performance. These unique blocks are 12 times bigger than standard house bricks and are lighter, stronger, and designed to minimize waste. Each block is the size of 12 standard brick equivalents, or SBE. Hadrian X is capable of laying one block every 20 to 30 seconds, which equates to over 1000 SBEs per hour. Using a specialized industrial adhesive instead of mortar, the blocks are bonded together in 45 minutes. Using these specialized blocks also results in greater thermal and acoustic properties than traditional mortar. Hadrian X can also lay standard bricks made of concrete or clay. So what does this mean for bricklayers? According to FBR, its underlying technology signals the next revolution for bricklayers. It enables them to transition away from laborious, unsafe, and physically demanding tasks and move into smarter, safer roles that offer a physically sustainable career path. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.